Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my channel. This is your brother UD and I am the CEO of Pips to Dollar FX. I am on Instagram as UDFX and I have my own Telegram channel which I share back to back signals, free signals throughout every week. And so the description to all the social media and the channel Telegram channel will be on the description of this video, so you have to go and check it and join the Telegram channel and enjoy free signals. And as you know, in this in this YouTube channel, we drop back to back videos of what I see about the market, what I think the market will do for the week, what my thought process is, and how I'm going to take my trades for the week. So those who have followed me for a while now know that that is what we do here. So if you are looking for pure price action on forex market, currency pairs, this is the right channel for you to stay. So without wasting much of our time, I want to quickly move to what I have here for us today, right now, for the week. Okay, so um I will start by showing us the analysis we did last week. So you have to go to the last week video, go and check the analysis that I did on AUD card and Euro CHF, and you will see how they played out. For example, this is the one I had on AUD card. I posted it before the time, so I was talking about this level. I was talking about this level you see me draw here. I was talking about that level, price breaking through this level, and then I was waiting for price to come here and maybe double top there so that we can move down, and the trade played out very nice the way I predicted it. Another pay here that I did was on Euro CHF. The same thing, the market was right here, market was right at this point, this area. So I was looking for price broke through it. I was looking for price to retest so that we can move down, and you see that is exactly what happened today, guys. So the two analysis that I posted last week played out very well, played out nice, and I bagged some profits. It was really a nice week. So this week I have some other cool setups for us that will go, and I will also explain my own pattern of analysis, because I do only three things. I do only three things in my analysis, though there are some other confirmations which I'm not going to share it with us here. Those ones are exclusive for the VIP, the premium members, those I thought. So but I'm going to just walk you through my own process, the way I analyze the trade. So now the first pay I want to look at on my list right now is which is USDCHF, US dollar against the Swiss francs. That is what I'm going to look at now. Now my analysis, I most of the time I do it on the 4 hours time frame, take my entry on the 1 hour time frame. So right here, first thing I do is to identify the trend and also identify my structure. Identify my trend and also identify my structure. So if you can see here, the trend is going down, moves up, comes down, moves up, comes down, moves up, and is ready to go down again. You get that? So this was the previous, this is the recent, let me say the most recent structure that was broken. I'm already in this trade. This was the previous structure that was broken. So when I identify, the first thing is identifying my trend and also identifying my structure, if a structure is broken or if it is about to be retested. And so the first one now is structure, the trend. We can see that the trend is making lower lows and lower highs, So we broke here. All this was a retest. There were retests, and price has finally broken. And another thing that I saw about the retest was how the price was going on a retest. It was moving in a corrective manner, forming an ascending type pattern which always breaks down. So I have that confidence that this price was going to break down, go to the downside, and I think that is what the price is trying to do at that point. It broke. It broke. If you check the 1 hour time frame, going on the 1 hour time frame, you'll see that it broke it. Look at it there. Broke that trend line. So we're just waiting for a retest here. So now that was the first rule. Now the second rule is for me to just know where I'm thinking price will go. So when this price was right here, and note this level that just broken, that level that was just broken, I normally like to see if is a very strong level by checking if price has used that level before as support or resistance. So if I place this line and go move back, I will now see that this level was tested also in the past. And if you still go further, I think you will also see another one here. You also see another one here, that this level was also tested the second time here. That was the third time there. Okay, so now that level is very valid for me to sell, and that's why you see when price came in here, it's consolidating, like making a kind of pattern that will break down. So I now go to my 1 hour time frame. Now what I basically look for is the pattern, or a chart pattern around this area. So around this area. So remember when I saw this ascending type pattern, it gave me that confidence that price will continue to the downside. And now price has broken that level. Price has broken this trend line here. You can see price broke it here. So what I'm waiting for is, this is how I want to enter the trade, which is the third rule, entry. Now how I want to enter the trade is price should bounce back to this level and goes down. Now if you observe, something is happening here. Price is making another kind of small downtrend here, you get, because it's trying to make a lower low and lower high. This is low, high, lower low. Here we'll make a lower high, and from there we'll bounce down. And there's another confirmation I normally use, but I don't want to share it here. But for now, that is what I'm expecting of USDCHF to do. And so you have to also watch it with me, so that when the market opens, you will see whether the price will do exactly what I am saying. This strategy doesn't work all the time, but it works most of the time. So that is why it is profitable for me. So let's go to the next pair here that I have, which is the GBPUSD. GBPUSD, same thing. Identifying my trend first. If I can identify my trend here, I will see that price is purely in a downtrend. Price is in a downtrend. So we had a fake out here. This one did not break. So but this one right here has broken. This one has broken because it has closed below that area. You see this area now. Look at this area, that the recent area that price just broke, because price is going down, you get. So the recent area, that this is the recent area price just broke. And I told you I always confirm if this area is very nice by drawing this two horizontal lines so that it can extend to the left, and I will go back and check if that particular price area was used as support or resistance in the past. And you can see it here. Can see it somewhere there. It was used here. So price has used it for some times now, so that place is valid. Now what I'm gonna do is go to the 1 hour time frame. Goes to the 1 hour time frame to see if I can have a retest right here, and then we bounce back. And if you can see, price is also making the same thing, going up here, breaks strongly, goes in a retest form, so it's going to break. Now I use this Fibonacci level, use this Fibonacci tool to predict the exact point price can turn. I use it to predict the exact point price can turn. Now if you look at it here, this impulse movement that we have, price should go back maybe to around 50 or 61.8 Fibonacci level. If I see any maybe double top, I will join the sell. I'll definitely join the sell. So that is it. The three rules have been met there. I'm just waiting for entry. So the first one is I identify my trend. After identifying my trend, I identify my structure. After I then identify my structure, I now look for my entry reasons. Let me go back again. Identify my trend. The trend is going down because you see price is making series of lower lows and lower highs, and this my structure, this is the recent structure that is broken, and I have also confirmed that this structure has been used before by price. So that structure is very nice for me to look for a retest. So when I moved to the lower time frame, I saw that clearly price broke through the structure. So what I'm waiting for now is for price to go back to some level of Fibonacci, and then gives me a pattern, and then I will join. This is the strategy that has been working for me over and over and over. So I have another and the last pair here that I'm going to show to us, which is which pair is that USDC AUD sorry about that, AUD USD. This one is, I'm actually looking for a counter trend move here. I'm actually, because look at this area sorry about that, guys. This area has just been broken. One, I identify my trend is going down. All right, structure, this is the recent structure that we just broke. All right, this one is actually going to be a counter trend. I'm expecting a counter trend move because I expected that price should go back and retest this broken structure, then moves down, and that retest, this retest can be profitable. This retest can be profitable. So what I did was to go to the higher time frame and try to look at a structure that can bounce the price up, that can make that counter trend to occur. And I look at this point and I saw that we had some bounces around that area. Let me zoom that out so we can see. You see, this area we had first bound here, very strong one. We had another one here, strong one there. If you still look back, you still see that that area is still, so price has used that area for so many times now. So that area can, push price up. That area can push price up to retest here before we continue the downtrend or we break up. So that is basically what I'm expecting. So what I'm going to do is 1 hour time frame now. I'll go there, stand there and look for my entry reason, which can be a chart pattern. So maybe something like this, double bottom, and we'll move to the upside. So guys, that is what I am looking at. That is what I'm looking at for the week. I don't always make my video long because I want it to be insightful. I want you to also learn from it. So you can go to your chart now that the market has not opened yet. Go to your chart and also check and see if you are going to see the same thing that I'm seeing. And don't forget the rules. First one is to identify your trend. The second one is to identify your structure, and the third one is to look out for your entry reasons. And once those three things come into play, guys, I take my trade. I go in and leave the rest for the market. So guys, if you like this video, please don't fail to subscribe to the video. Please subscribe to the channel, on the notification bell, like and share this video because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. When you on the notification bell, it will help us to help the Google to send you a notification whenever I update another video. So please guys, let us do this again next time. I wish you all successful week. All right, so guys, see you in another video. Please subscribe. Thank you and bye.